All right, so example 3. I've gotten some stuff typed up. I don't know why it doesn't like me, but welcome to the fancy script of math, where spaces don't count. So in example 3, the main floor of a new auditorium is planned to seat 800 people. So that's the total of our series. We're going to, I'm skipping ahead. With seats arranged in 20 rows. Each row will have 2 more seats than the previous row. How many seats should there be in the first row? Before we even look at the question of it, I want to look at just the information and see what I can build with it. So if you're making rows, so row 1 would be some number of seats. I just said M. Row 2 would then be plus 2 more seats. Row 3 is then plus 4 more seats than the original row. So it is arithmetic, and our common difference is 2. Each row is adding 2 more seats. And since I want to total up how many seats are possible, totaling means summing, means adding. So summation, I need to have a summation formula, and we're going to say equals 800. We can get rid of that division by 2 by multiplying both sides by 2, and that will end up with 1600. So actually, I'm going to drop this S sub n just so I'll still put the equal sign. But technically, it's 2 times S sub n because we multiplied everything by 2. And another thing that I did notice once the recording stopped last time was that it's 20 rows. So we actually do know the n value is 20 rows, and then I need to know the 20th row. Well, if I'm on the 20th row, is there a way I can figure out that mysterious number? Hey, there is. So we know that the 20th row, so a sub n. Okay, we don't know the first term, but that's okay because it can be in terms of our first term. We can still solve for it. So I have the mysterious nth term, nth row, equals the first row. I need to add 2 more to the number of rows that we have. And it's going to go down on me. So I need n minus 1 because we don't, but if I'm technically wanting the nth term, I know that this is the same thing as saying a sub 20, because we know what the last term is going to be. A sub 1 plus 2 times 20 minus 1. But 20 minus 1 is actually what? 19. I hope you all said that. Equals a sub 1 plus 19 times 2, which will be 38. So we have our mysterious 20th term, 20th row, but in terms of a sub 1. So we can then take this up here. Well, I'll just add to it since you can see me now. I'll just add to it there, but adding the dollar sign. Oh, come on. Adding the dollar sign. And instead of a sub n, we're going to put a sub 1 plus 38. And I'm going to recompile this so you can see what we've been doing. Okay, so while it's recompiling and thinking, yay! Why a sub, oh, I wondered, I need brackets to make sure it knows that 20 is all one number. Okay, so then this is going to end up being dollar sign equals 2 a sub 1s plus 38, and then I can divide by 20, so 1600 divided by 20, which will just be 80, and then I can subtract by 38, so that will be equals to 2 a sub 1, and 80 minus 38 is 50 minus 8, which is 42, and then I can divide by 2, and that will give me equals a sub 1 equals 21. So there are 21 seats. 21, oh, there are 21 seats in that first row of the page. Did they get 21? Yeah, they got 21. So yes, the book did it a simpler way because they used a formula that doesn't require this secondary stuff down here, but I wanted to make sure that we're still keeping track of everything before the quiz because that will also be on the test. Oh, it tells me when it's going to end. That's nice. I have 14 seconds. So the rest of, I will do the homework and I will post those questions and answers and post comments so I can help you. Yay!